shit out of this Golf. What I'm gonna have to do, mainly because I am gonna have foam everywhere. I just freaking detailed this thing. Don't cut towards yourself.
Oh yeah.
Oh man, the big boy springs.
Oh, fuck. Oh, I'll just leave.
Oh, yeah. A little more. Bounce slightly. Yeah. Oh, okay. Keep bouncing. That's it.
Person, I am a fat
That's good. We're good. We're Gucci. Oh my god.
Alright, Cody, that's it. You're officially a shop tool. Your home is under that fucking.
Oh, they don't move.
Yay!
Definitely gonna need some shock extension.
Oh my god, I'm gonna rip the shock bounce out of this car. So yeah, problem I'm running into on the other side, and it's going to happen on both sides, is that I'm rubbing quite a bit on the front bumper. And then I had a different Jetta before this, and I had to cut quite a bit, but granted I had bigger tires, so I'm hoping not to cut this stuff this time. I'm hoping it'll just be a fender liner issue. I'm hoping. I don't have a whole lot of time here now today. This is near my end of the time here, but I might have to just start chopping the front bumper and see where it takes me. Good thing these zip ties are here holding this shit together.
Zip ties holding a Mark IV together? You don't say. Goodbye, Mark IV.
I'm used to Sawzall jobs just being like forever, just like.
it didn't exactly go as planned. I was supposed to lift this with 4 Jeep Wrangler springs out of like different years. It was supposed to be a front set of stock Jeep TJ springs, and then another set of front JKU springs. And then the fronts you cut roughly 2 coils off, and then the rears you just put them in, and you got to extend your rear shocks. So I also had shock extensions. That didn't work out because the threads I had were wrong, so I'll have to figure that out. But what ended up happening, I can't remember which of the 2 springs we put up front, but there's Jeep springs up front, 2 coils cut. The rears didn't work out because on a different day, I think I just got them mixed up. I cut the wrong springs. So I actually have Volkswagen T1 springs in the back, and it lifted it up like pretty evenly. I'm okay with the amount of lift I got. I had to do a bit of cutting, a bit of massaging on the front bumper because it rubbed, and honestly that bumper is destroyed anyway. So I have zero guilt about destroying a city front bumper. It kind of works out because if I were to try to find a used one, it'd be like $450 and more. So, super comfy ride. I'm gonna go and park it at Walmart, I guess. If you like the video, give it a like. Appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Okay, you can get it now.